anope edru no eye ba kope ekome Dorifa Vigo Plus eno ena American farmer se kwana kope bi na won so no ebe sisi ase ho amase ho aye wisi wote me say ebe sisi ase ho ema ho aye wisi obade e wo se na na gibre e kan wakra nsana sebi e ho aye ready for action na so wo de na sebi o so won sa pe ne baby a aye bibi wo ho a wote ase ade nchi mabube mesrawo nom Dorifa Vigo Plus Otiase Bemena ye da se bro da se kronto onso no eya na wajapade nsan ketenkete ekuru nketenkete obi ro no supporters sebi mesremu me kru no pamacho obehwe no obi timi dwi ho saa ke kano otia na ene de owi a na ehihye no intide no mesrew e ma ne se ana me ka kire mo se me yo ba yetimi didi agro star obi abi tie pesram se mo ma ho entima ye ho betia Dorifa Vigo Plus available in all pharmaceutical shops around you. Herbal shop bia ye turn drew e wom no call na kojibi na wonso nonom empono open na tela doctor number and na eda screen no fa na woni ne twetwe nkomo baby a wo bia ne technology ntino oba be delivery ama wonso no wo krani etimi aji edwuma komienu we ena na anope wonum etebri wo mu sika twitwidi aso yasne ema yede dwumedi ebro e live Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV Samdako's initiative Samdako's TV and so you stream live what the answer be subscribe to your channel na wa like your page no na wa comment na wa share na afufront so enye bi ahwe Mrs. subscribe you like the page as well you comment and you share nature say afufront so enye bi ahwe well na no pay ma me fa me motivation e na fe no mema wo hu topic a yeba abedi hu komo anope meba cho anope me motivational me dey ma one say eya na nkrofo be reka say ene die ni papa asa e wasase we so ni papa ni wiase o ene die sebie so sebie enya ado we you be papa eya no de boneti aka eya na say ene say she do you know why empempi no eya na yeje wonum a one yankrofu papa mum papa. Do you understand? MP ye yomwa one ye papa e papa. Se bani sa ye yomo papa no na one mum e de boni etia eka inti meso se baby awa no pay bia no e ye huni pa obey ne papa. Yeah. Huni pa obey ne papa. Look for the right person, the good person. Now fe no. So be support na wa support no. Obey ne papa, why ne papa if you say ene enkrofo be breatri mu ayesu ti mesel say hwehwe ni papa na ye ne papa empe ni pabone enye ne papa wo ye ni pabone for papa o de bone ene bitia oka erade yakopon ka ho sanope de makan wo de be ye adwuma na wa hwehwe the right person na why ye ne papa because dan na me dem cry na be say ni pa we or ye papa sometimes wo be hu so boase steady no and then of course obetimi I say nipa no e papa me say obade nyankopon onka ho so be ne sa e dia ma mo hwe wo be bia no ye da mo say me kro mu ensmafo tikobo number 1 number 2 ado abuja ngura ma biza be mu aba shikikam esiema anochi tikobo number 1 ankle impossible biza be mu aba hyen ensma ba watakrade biza ba hyen me ko funfante fo wo se kunu mi cheche wo nyina ma me Cecilia kwesi minti mi chewa atasa me bo asen so a mi cheche fante fo wo nyina Stacy mi chewan mo a sebie son sebie nyaato mo abuchi memu bra kwa kunu abusia mode mu data ehwe ya no pa bia no anope yechia mo alota noble efedo even ode of course George Mame munyinara mamodi afache me munyina mo kan amankwa positive all of you yechia mo edamosia ensa well maybe my line is not to ede ma maybe so say e die na tete e wo mpotem ye bedi Ghana ho nkomo so I know strongly say wo mpotem ho senya kane a eyensuo ebi kwa na ambulance mu ni bi wo chese mo mpotem ho mu krom ho obi kwa wo so akoye bo achi bidin sebie son sebie nya don kane adwudum fon pre na so yesi ye ni dum so na so chance ye de dum so mekan menim se menu anu mpipifo e bejiga na so no saa na tie ye dum no na yeso ye dum no na yeso me de tete me no mesra mo enka ne mo mani nyina so emfa maye wodade mu afon na ye dum no e kwa sana e san aba wodie ene den anopai maybe the lines now at Eddie about 17 minutes after 6 a.m. Meeting Eddie Diane Eduhene Jemfi Quartin Akusia. Well, Premier na yendi komo. Eddie ena etete o put more first caller line. So hello, good morning.
Morning.
Odo now what to say?
Why I'm the
say?
I dear having my part was in Yaquine. No progressing Mayra. Na Yaquino. Mangu, teaching Quaya Afiamani, a drew a Rapanian. You could do and I see if you do a Persia. That was for a quaning would be a luggage of a Fakatapo. And Yako, which Afiama for a bit was a Babacasi Dija.
Okay.
I call it. MC oh minimum ana MP Moses Amin ana kwesi afrifa meje ani MP aban na ya bo ri ya nya kwa me da wase na ba
yes so ye das minim se mpanifo 80 enti ombeba no mabe watom bebia mo bia hello good morning hello. Okay, wait to me, na so also beat me and friend lines on the screen is 0533947974. Give me a call now. Again, I won't put him where and can call me na yedin komo be kwai for enemy here mo coffee so mo kwai no enya kra me kotwa mo enya. Hello, good morning. Hello. Mepacho, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mepacho, adaro mama nesto kakra mama. Within baby house.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho yenti one.
Good morning.
Majo so middle. Body chairman I uncle. Mepacho, ujina me line so mo anonko.
Yo bacho me di sule because every brother.
All right, yenti o.
Ya kwan ya kwa nguna man wo kwan so kwan ye
all right jedase obi esu akwan akwan your fruits no efa he well give me a call na yenkoye nim 19 minutes after 6 a.m. Hello, good morning. Okay, when to me engine so me fa cause be me no me se bi na fe no maba ena no pa bedwafo a me ne ombedi djuma me ankasa madin na Mira comrade or say bright ofemba me nim say ofi offense ne ye fe no ofemba dia ene me bisa no ho asem o ya Ashanti regional communication team member for the NDC or ha what's na so and I train a Mira Kofi Japan MPP communication team member for Ashanti region, of course the deputy organizer Kwabre constituency and as a Kwabre East constituency obabe coming sa na yedi yenkomo na atwetwen so and I no pay enkoma Ghana hon ma EBD and say His Excellency former President of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama yadi nyina okwaprobo na aprobo okunyi na I will call on the line. My main fan, me ameba. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning. I'm over there.
Mido, now what to say, Asante?
I'm ready to move. I'm not a hospital. Now, I can't go back home. Can be a PPL side of living to a mono. As a boy, I'm glad to be and no matter what a panning yan. One Abdella Banda or Tibia one Tiana Osa Babo for her, where busy a could and also when it was now to Babo for answering yan and you know, I'm well now by an idiot. Yantin and Capra 1 year she in one way and not a pano or Munyama, Apano, a bois, and Yanibit to a Babo for just my game.
Pacho, yeah, that CP, a quine. Everyone is complaining. Everybody's complaining of rules. Hey, and Sigana and consider Benny Aquine in a Evertoso, a bear kama. Anyway, more call our line, so now. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Nana, now here.
Oh, you want to know?
Nana Pacho, Yanko Dum, Okru cry. Tano Soboko.
Oh, you want to go.
Nana, it's your
what job was I want to say?
Nana Yanko
I don't know power, you my power with your wife.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm going to meet my son from and the better part. You're so far too bad for the moment. All right,
Namen Council, Nana, that's CP, Makai said, Mabe show, Yanko in Sharp Papa, the Bia, Obeto in Strasem, Egumiso. God bless you and bless you and bless you more. Well, me was baby, you be nothing, no. Madrid curtains down on the phone in section. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
I'm calling from Accra.
You're calling from where?
Accra.
Can you match your voice for me?
Miss Cry.
Okay, let's hear you.
Uche is free academy. Accra Academy, first class.
Okay.
Iba Odoko. Obi a wadasi ifi ni na me se wa fa sa afane so si gbe na ko fa ni ko ko ni wachi a obi wa be ni na da boss covid keke covid e bi da kwa kwa ni be road o several Accra highway Dr. Busia highway covid ni e tutu na ko di bia be so ni tutu akwa no kakra still na fa ko tanu so e say tutu bio Isota Atiko Johnson, a you Amna. And now, soon, empty machine at the first book back at the baby.
Okay.
And then, we can say, why can you see a dog or why I could MPP for achievement in the home. A point that I know, or better tell me, or so by your point. I just still, a point to go with them. Yes, somebody for say, one will be my or club up there, I was gonna have you here.
Yes, so yeah, that's it.
We told them now, you know. Say, I also say APPT shirt out the show. And you bye bye.
Me pacho, me da sibibre, Nyankopon Israel, all the way from Accra or Doko, Nyame and come home. We have a lot of television stations, so into the more prayer. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Odo, now where? Me pacho, we didn't baby our friend me free.
The patrol me a family. The patrol what you know.
Oh.
The patrol. If you are there, to see I want to know fire. You would see a way up, papa. They could have said, we see a dear there. Uncle Jenny of dear person of man. And so a pie. Any Alabama. Not come for the if your ma, where a man, Mamma for a bubble, and may it go on the 200,000 20 cities. And Sana, you know, for months, but you are after that. I've just a careful, and you or we see that at the animal because of our money. Amanda Dano, I did. Francis, you don't want to buy. I need to play if you are sick, play, and you are doing now. And so I'm not almost journey now. I'm not a see you. What you want, check the rules as a enemy. Emma, what is that? Mamma, your class yesterday. It's translated yesterday. I work last year. It was 50 alumni, specific method, I know how to follow. You would say, I took my short little my super. You are Baba, Eddie. If you are watching it, you are about to wash it. No, I see you of both your forward near your mamma. I hear from my enemy. You're doing it, Madam.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Yankopon Shami family last call and nothing no maba na yedi enkomo asemu year fruits no ever 2019 I think we had the year fruits. What happened? Year fruits na nyejuma yanye yede be dada and I said a obi esu obi esi apene e wo kwan ho aden You don't have a call on the line. Okay. Hello, good morning. Okay, went to me engine so and I don't pay me try me last caller because me person me go room na caller ba and still have frame me live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV Sam Darko's initiative Sam Darko's TV so no you stream live ho into what they say obe subscribe to your channel more caller line so hello good morning. Hello good morning. Hello. Okay, went to me engine so I think say hello, good morning. Last caller.
Hello, good morning.
Now what to say?
But you know Bible,
what are my we didn't baby
prophet my table in Adam Kwan, but
prophet be aboko.
Uncle Pant number Bible be aboko. The make can say year of Islam a month in the country and BBC because it seems to be good COVID-19 the same thing be an intimate Kofa Tanya Manabaya but you're quite because see say better could be done in Kenyana you are saying committee was a club wrong a club me who could this cow who this can you be a skinny walk it's not my yes car anything we are constructing with no my money by woman because a banner will be until I so go tell him the taxes and the taxes would be Namsa Bosnia not so rich you know your man could see na say your money to na send a more if you are temporary going to me who could many pan in your pocket let you quite a pastor near the casa but your name on count. Bye-bye. Okay.
Yeah, that's CP Yankopo Insha. I think say Memfa Kobia Ebium. And Obia complaining na Aquine Inquisida Ben and Ghana Quino Nina Yebeye Ejamae Emma Ahoto so Abba everybody is complaining. Are they? I did about quite a titimu crum hapa. Would you be a bequer for one to me and wearing? Also, any nebusia for what happened? One to me and wearing. Well, and I don't pay and come out ye bidi Ghana home come out ye bidi Medica Abosoka Cratchel say His Excellency, a former president of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, JDM, Equa Probo, and a probo now Okunina no, dear Odu Tuja, and say. Enchebiano or the manifesto ebe babontin na se manifesto ni be babontin no o bisatma mu for say e dem pa na mo pese oba onye emfama mu onu ana ebisa mu o say tell me what you want me to do for you when I come into power 2024 God willing e dem na mo pe monka na me no e na no pe maybe sabedwa for say like seriously then no oh no when bisa obi a sebio His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president, wako opposition for almost 8 years. Oko opposition 8 years no. Ohuni say wenkoye into oba obeye. Nemo no timomufo ene nkanche no oba wababeye. Ebeboa ana Ghana Hong Kong ye bidi mamemra na ma bidwa for akwaba ena no pemedika kacho say me amadi na minua bema comrade or say bright ofemba or your Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC comrade akwaba mira hoye na ofemba nefi of offenso
yes
oh great
I was born and bred in office
oh okay
okay.
Oh, okay. Bishop Rokope.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Memo akwa baby. Well, my memra na mema miracle for Japan or non so. Akwa MPP communication team member for the NPP. Yes, of course, also a deputy organizer for Kwabri East constituency. Miracle me am who say na we do when people no go come with them say na the empire ebeja bibi aboko yeda nyankopon ase really Okay. And Unim said definitely you're going to break the 8. Really? More you're so confident. Okay. Someone can say you're going to break it. Okay. All right.
And you're chanting.
Breaking the 8 in Ghana for and we are so confident and so sure said Ghana for
okay. Yeda nyamiase. Wow, everything for my baby for artist straight away may call a mirror comrade to or no and no pay offember me do ba be start. What to say His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama or kwa approval na problem no guso den na enche bia nso waka say on the manifesto ebe ba bonten na se say die obi set am for say baby obi dru bia no obi sa say bia make sense ko bi pie mu aska obi ka aska fo e die empa na mo pese me ba menye mamo me ba chose such question ebe boa
me la say guy didn't come am for enche emma before I hear okay me for enche pasuma you blood on the money mama yeah over enche for or something really chama and then the secretary of I'm chair MPC
okay
Center.
great
at no call was himself about
sir
from Chipre to
a boy
during the campaign me far about 4 boy
okay
I find it very terrible
mm
when I was in
Imuna ya na timamufu na fro say baby odu bia you know
wow
MP for 8 years yes kasa bibu ma I so yeah on my so that on my so I was say omo ensusu ye baby on person o de o man no efa e na that's o ma opportunity no
and no na say when timi a he do mo kai ya o ka say o ba ha no e ka wish do e ma wo je pini but then
what fine and chain it that is a true hallmark of a good
leader when yen anything for yen you say sabi e best
answer nyina no ye trip I don't seek ideas
like when
your manifesto that never know the people's manifesto ya ji obia adwen say timamuni Ghanaian you could feel yourself in the manifesto
okay
say me asemu ya me kai no ewunu onim 2016 I wasn't part of the manifesto committee home but I personally sent my idea to Mpemfobi and I also sent it to his excellency John Dramani Mahama and me who said that line was captured in the manifesto it has said na ebidia call and I made it call for so and but me who said my view has been considered in the manifesto no I was very proud and that is a true leader. You see, you will be a friend of the stakeholders engagement.
Okay.
Former President Mahama Abaye Omanpinida. And I was a opposition leader that Uncle Becca say, oh, Sunday Uncle Unim, ya haunina.
Exactly.
Now, so the challenge, yes, the Odan Nijam, and I wouldn't say the CC or CSNFA. Me, I am a businessman. John Dramani Mahama abrasna mi container 18,000, and then me the same container 560 million at the minimum.
Okay.
And so John Dramani Mahama on town tie no, and as one businessman, how would he know say na and yema apeja akodro?
Okay.
And there was a oba yeah what that industry mu. They said in your time this is how it was na ene ahana aba bedroom. I don't see any ma you John Dramani Mahama one etimu po aye wo ho. I was saying the entire overview of Omanu wa you see
okay.
Free individuals only about 2 or 3 weeks ago he engaged the TUC and they gave him a more manifesto.
Okay.
So obetransi he will evaluate and yes bia asembia sebi obiara kan bia na
obeti
obefa and answer because ebi kura no na it is part account on that it would be bad. We will evaluate it na yehu say adiwe say ye defa ha ebeboy adiwe defa ebeboy.
Okay.
You see John Dramani Mahama pray onya ahomaso esede ebi mo ema ye hu no enfie nso a atwamu sabi enema kura enkoye na okoka pese your friends say overcan. I think there was a time bia say more economic thing to review the economy. Among for here say exercise here now just because they involve the some of the NDC members in the team. Okay. And see but so yeah leader, you don't only rely on your people. Okay. Yes sir, amount the real feedback, the actual situation on the ground. I also when you are doing a free any parkour honina whether any pan or no I adwin and say or no any adwin you I also more akwanya to express their view so that also be far emu the eye no na dia ka o de ho sakra na yebo sakra na individual yebo bra say me ye madwuma yi ebi o ba ka bi na ma fa ba ko me enu bi na me de akam de ho na ma progressing. That is how it is. Entiye John Dramani Mahama and amono a wotun it is in the right direction. You see the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia when he was a running mate, now on him the actual situation on the ground was running his mouth into everything, as if he had mouth are you
guys not doing the same?
Are
you guys not?
But when the man is silent on the economy. The only actually baby now every program my who say within the MPP no we have a practical economist and we have a textbook economist, and now the man is silent as if now he's been caged or he's having a mouth constipation. They say what can I not do economy because
on Kasabim
he on Kasam economy. When was the last time man what you say your vice president Ekasafa economy because now he feels that only bibia okay. Oh, I have worked in the Bank of Ghana. There's money here, and you see, former President Mahama was honest. Now, so okay, and he said, "Mom ni akweni bida," and you don't know what it takes. I'm on 4G na no AC boneke can say be, but then we have seen the omo mukasa you know, Jumadia omo agent in Ghana had. And Diane, it is not wrong for a leader to seek opinions from his people. After all, any partner over the Amazon is any partner can say, "Sir, direction when a person they audio on money qua." And we see NDC have a very powerful and a very interesting catchphrase here. I feel a campaign building the Ghana we want. So if building the Ghana we want what, then the we must reflect all of us, and to also be a doing a said the results were ye pen direction a person ye on mine corner ye come and Adebakwa manager will say the reason why he is involving everybody in the manifesto is that 2024 no, it's not just an elections.
Okay.
It is a communal labor. Two, it is also a fight for a second independence. Because baby you on mine.
Okay.
But they say you ebusuan.
All right.
To was a G ebusuan edi ma wo man no. Na Ghana ni bia o ye tete mam ni bia no enya esonfa so. Na enkwaye say emre bi asem bia opan bi e kan say some Ghanaians are more important than Ghanaians. Sad na was say ifri o asama yenua ba esa usu kan emre bi say afi na la MPP ba fufuro no was say afi na landlords na nkasa ba na je say Ghana for no bi tenants and be landlords, but John Dramani Mahama say ono there he sees everybody as Ghanaian ohun obia say onipa no a road to play in this country.
Okay, that's it. Answer na me call Mirror Japan so me be say enti asembia Mira Mahama and Asira Mahama, former president, Ebekwa Proba, and for the between and Biana obey including a one manifesto.
Say, make us say he will evaluate.
Okay.
And seven no Ebekano.
Okay.
Now, we because me tie there a similar so say person offense so e could do. Nyasa na bia bekwa for so e person e could do. And I said, baby, offensive for a good do. Mr. Ubie of online. I agree in ya and some me noa across board Ubia Eka. And this is the direction.
All right.
You see, and he said this year, if John Mama wants to build rules, a year enquire Yanum be there. Say slogan ebotirimupo yeboitirima ye come without a policy, without a deeper thinking and a deeper search to it no say ekwan na ye na afio here he will make sure that he will do it and distribute it equally.
All right. Very Japan enkomo na yanugusu a ye di no former president wakasa o say onu de ubia baby na problem na obo no baby obedru bia no bia mfa de opese oba oye no entunanim na onye ne sa ebeboa
medas no nchira wa hefo na wa jimre
amen.
Lady ya hohi mantini because I hohi
How?
you see the People's Manifesto the People's Manifesto by 2020. By Ghana for her the People's Manifesto 9 is for Troy. Now the content of the manifesto wasn't what Ghanaians told him. And for that matter, Ghanaians, overwhelmingly more than 500,000 Ghanaians rejected the NDC's People's Manifesto. Because Omukaye no say and some papa ibe gina yanim e dada ye say ye haw ne amane ne de ye nka nkire no na won fa nkọ ne manifesto no oba awaye no okotena afie no wode do ono no pe ene be shame na enye de nipa ka kire because the nipa ka kire no na wo kan say oba ba ya the people would have accepted what they said.
Okay.
But what did they make runners? Nana me ne ka offense so akware ni ade ade abaining ka se wa ya akwai nyina wo offense there be but Akufo-Addo amamu owe no aboa offense sa e che se the NDC me tra offense ko wi afia kente onim school ya meka na me tempen Bishop Sapon school no opsita to obi onim ni bia ni na me nanti free pen e ko de enti
okay
se what ya say it offense minimum wo nyina
okay
offense town rules or enya facelift empo about 4 town rules enya facelift se what dey me kire on we no free wa me kasa me boba e wa news portal ni e wa ha bebre just that offense nyanya na akwa nyina say ya tile there be eno dey me metena nka so offense kwa nyina yaye but John Dramani Mahama in 2016 ka kire Ghana fo ano offense south for kan ho say waye Ghana akwa nyina na Akufo-Addo na mawada into onye dey ohun kwan na oyeye no me patronese an okan Ebra na do complain say Ghana ya kwanye MPP for complain say ya kwanye no. He took the viral battle or the verbal battle to Nanado say onama wada. Meanwhile obi a wo say watale Ghana nyina no na all the plane and am soro ye campaign. Pese kwa no be woso ama ahonam ayoya into the plane and am na wa be ka kire say why it is a busu afie bu na so wasi abusu afie o wie ya wa wo si wasi abusu afie no akwa ha obi chimba en ho na atim na abusu afie na wo si ye no de otena mu bi enyeye eno ni John Dramani Mahama ye ka no ho asem the People's Manifesto ni consultation you on the buy o man panyini kufo in 2000 omusa na nadu in 2012 Epo Nanadu in 208. Nanadu in 2020. Busa TUCs ni ade. Okaisa Nanadu ko share TUCs. TUCs do mu how to Nanadu in 2015. Mampanyini that John Dramani Mahama nya akwanya. So oba address the grievances of the TUC. Omu di ama Nanadu danko Akufo-Addo no koka say TUC for a tip on koso. Na obi na hye wo machi pushi wo mu so wo mu nye demonstration ti abai. No John Dramani Mahama ne de or the dead goat syndrome ewo ni mu enti ye beka ne say odamfunu onsuro de sekai na TUC nsema wo mu ka no John Dramani Mahama mpusu no de wo pen obeye o ka da statement no. It was in response to say TUC edu mu hawa mananado danko Akufo-Addo say as a union and one of the biggest union in Ghana. So what last year? Yeah, how are you community? And if I show manifesto, now about boy. John Dramani Mahama be did it easy for that. When I mean about them routine and about the work. And the other routine and about the work.
I don't know simple phone come how children or bow obey.
Bow Casacha microphone come how children. Walk Casacha woman. Obi amema ba wo se me baba beti no Diane. Say me kasache obi a wutie nkrofo ha watie aduru hin watie pa de aduru hin once one ka so the 24-hour economy beba once we already have a 24-hour economy in Ghana due to the able vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia digitization
no 24 hours 3 times morning day morning afternoon evening no ebema why employ more
it is already in the system. There were institutions be a won't mean 24 hours. Okay. Me yet my private company. The chief producer will name me. You run it 24 hours. Okay. You run it day and night shift. Guinness, Cochillion, any other day. Omu run it day and night shift. Say who take the metron. You were institution do a be say TV someone run it day and night shift.
Sure, radio.
But morning show won't mean 24 hours.
No. And
I said talk show you won't mean 24 hours. No. Say who tie. Quiet hospitals. Security services, they are all running 24-hour services. Who tell them metro? And nuntino dia be edeba dia bi no deba. Uko aduma, dia on person obe dan wona. Because me mo bia otimi 13. E wa aduma bonten so ama me botimi wo kro kanopa. Say who tell them metro no? 24-hour service. In Ghana ha your hotel do not close. But due to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia almost say one kasa fair economy. Then this don't know what they are saying.
But people was talking.
He is still talking.
But we don't hear.
He is still talking. He has moved Ghana from the paper economy to the digitalization economy. The digitalization Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kenyana. It's about the economy. Digitizing our ports. And this kind of deba. Our property rate are digitizing your properties. Our DG rate are increasing. ECG digitalization. And the deba never. Now we have our hospitals. You don't need to go and hold your phone as all the command doctor. At a click, the doctor ninya will health history. Hospital A now hospital B. You don't need to go back there and bring a report. And the deba never. So the NDC for Nima, Omunsuya. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is still talking about the digitalization agenda. And two area, a brown that John Dramani Mahama because of the 24-hour service economy. They reply Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia man sorting. And then due to interoperability system, yeah. Lady, anadwo one o person transfer sika free bank account eko two ne bi bank account ma obetima ye anadwo two person otua fees a obetima ye dey etua from your phone meboa and then you see the wo da wo mpam no ato credit now they go meter so meboa. These are all digitalization eboa the economy. Share the number of times and can answer hours and can be out according to bank and the yi sika baako a be out de ba be wo fufu a dey Eddie. But with the digitalization agenda, you can just withdraw from bank and transfer to your bank. Meboa. This is what we are talking about. We see one kasa no
not everyone.
And no dey continue how say teacher trainee teacher ancestral exams oba obetwam. Ah sit tag for. Esi wo mu de omu mpe enwo hosa. Did you consulted the sit-tag for na teacher trainees College of Education Trainees Association of Ghana. Omu na omu wie school aba betro ancestral exams no. You didn't consult them. What say we consultation? One consult woman na akogina bonti hu nipa na se de o kan no edu election ye ntwantro na wo mu gidi no
consult omo one consult omo
na ka sit-tag aba be ka se de wo de ma ye ne yesi empe who read this sit-tag press statement who read it ana na nti se wo be consult me na me si sei na me pe na wo be kan na bonti a etimi ye nipa boni ni a se ade amaka kire se wo ba ye ma me no wo be kan se wo ba wo be ye no mi ama se twa me ho se me mpe. This is the man we are talking about. John Dramani Mahama ni bibi papa biya de magana pio. Obenya 4.5 years as a president, 3.5 years as a vice president, and in administration was characterized by doom. Ghana Koowaa hawa hu ye hia benediem
na enya hu ye hia apini dios say na ye na mu. We are still suffering.
Onu amu bejitu meba obejira Ghana. Gintra make us a John Dramani Mahama.
His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo say we are suffering.
Meba mami ko ne hu de me. John Dramani Mahama na ye ka no ho asem. Me pese hu ni ye. Obejira Ghana wo se abai ne mo ne hu modern. Na Akufo-Addo amamu boni na ama ho kira ba Ghana fo so. Na ye mu bi ti say ye yagye na di. Say papa de ka no kure wo dwe Ghana ho. Ba wo ko gina international stage Harvard Business School. And you no mean a school like Harvard Business School. John Dramani Mahama ko gina hon. O ka kire wi ase nyina say ahokire ne abinidi e wo Ghana Africa Ghana ka hu sese. This o ka kire me say Ghana nya Africa. Africa dey o say ahokire ne abinidi aba Africa so sese. The unexpected COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war. And ama ahokire aye dey. Enya me na me ka John Dramani Mahama neka. Harvard Business School. The video is there, you can go and watch it. We can put the video out no mu na dey. Now be jina Ghana. Now we can sem go aban so. Ba wo ko jina international stage dia. Now we can say e de etia wo ye nipa be. Enu ti na me start na be obi ntia so obi be ka se me didi na tem. Me ka se odi ahohie. Enfantini ka se obi di ahohie na kire se on kan correct. On kan kure enya atemdidie na medi no enioma bia me ehu se omampanyini da John Dramani Mahama onye dey on kan kure. And in 2016 no ono ne bosumeta na chi no eyi ni man enye se bi osom bosom eye bebu kasakwa na America ono ne bosumeta na chi yi ni man e ma ne kogina simpie so ka se edru abato a o kan no kure kakra na wa kan tro bebrebe na nipa ne gidi ne eto aba no ma wie na wunya tumi na wo de wo pae ne aye edu etimi de me ne to ya wo ko Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia MPP fo akwa no as a running mate na wo hwe adwene ni nimdie ni nyansa papa ne de ba se Ghana fo ba ba gi na tum no enu hu popo bribri ene wo de ko ne to no
na se to de obi a be ko bi
na nim se to no kwa no pese nipa bete
o ade nti no pese
nipa bete o start to na no sma St. George Emma me ba ye that religious division you know and I mean call for the so said can be no be take the center stage because who say Ghana na do stage be say who Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din na obi e pae dey etie eti the moment e be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din no me John Dramani Mahama o mampanyini dada me dwuma me ye no ye de be hye sumase ba wonu amu hu san flag afi de ne nsama o keka no ka we ya ne abeyi na no oka we ya ni abeyi na no enti consultation be no wo ye onye consultation bia mema Ghana for ha kom me yetinye dey empopo papa no wababida wo ba edum so mfie na papa no be ka kire graduate a wo se wo ba wo be run 24 economy amom se onye magician ene wo ba be create adwuma ma graduate ni employment and labor relations minister honorable Rashid Pepu ebe ka kire graduate ayeye pe adwuma that time say ye lazy na nke betime twetwe twasere ne de agina kwa ho obi oye mu aduru ha no ayede watobi anasa wonam na abobo a na wafa wo de kototo wa eni da boso me miensa no betime nya abo 1 tree na wato amobi. This is the vision of John Dramani Mahama. Oba ya wo so oba be ye ne beta no wo hia NDC for ka kire mpacho akukọ buo no nsa aka wo de o se mama mo nkukọ buo nkete na mama mo nkukọ nu na mo ya no o mu tukosu ana wo ton di na wo chibidi enkukọ ni nyina no wakum o mo no awe se buo no de kama na betumo se buo no de de ba de na betumo. That is the vision of John Dramani Mahama.
So you think say the all can say
the listening then na all ye needless because do mu ka kire no kura won fa.
But the timamu for say ye fam wa ye kan his excellence na dan kwaku fa do ne npani for wo mo fa de
oh na do dan kwaku fa do ka kire Ghana in April 2020 say
okay
wo no na do dan kwaku fa do enipa enkwa free nensa ontimi nsa amfa ngede ema na emum say ye sikasem no to apia obetimi sa de arede aba and Ghanaians are living witness a bro one robber ekodru 95 cedis also ofro offenso utie ofro offenso na bro robber say
they say
40 cedis utie dem chiro ye dollar ko ya kodru 15 and enam 11.5 11.4 fuel ekoya kodru 20 diesel ekoya kodru 26.5 per liter and the diesel am say 13.4 and the Ghana forecast was how near
but it was cheaper then.
It was cheaper then. Yes,
during His Excellency John Dramani's
and it was cheaper than during Kufuor's regime. It was the cheapest during Kufuor's regime. We are comparing 3 regimes. So what did they make wrong?
Okay.
It was cheap. We had the cheapest during Kufuor. And John Dramani Mahama be cheaper. So what did they make? Okay. The person here can say we are building up.
Okay.
Ghana ye population ye na ye demand to be here then.
All right. But I say, Vera comrade, do you have anything to say about what?
Wanya akonya edi atro bebre. Na I'll take time to educate him on the 24-hour economy no.
Great.
A bro Robert 70 Ghana.
Okay.
I will fence kokote market.
Enya no kure.
But
when you okasa me din. Two.
Mirakasa.
Apart from cocoa rose or confused coin. Apart from cocoa rose wa efri ayesusu ekosi ahwe kroma onbeto aso no. Se MPP for etimi de ebo baako e de afa kokota wo offense hanoma. E wo offense kromwa anka me free and this mune. I am challenging him. So offense kroben abofo offense new town. Baby I start a town rules. Baby I ye kopim ye. Even get a screw ye no. So omode cement baako afra anwea I leave you crack and me and then can be friend this. I dare him to adduce evidence. Two. Two. You see,
we are now.
He is reading from a portal. Let me tell him, say, the MP, I say, Namo town rules. Why you know? Meanwhile, there's no single gravel in Namon. Okay, 24-hour economy. Now I am saddened to cemetery it from MPP paying for any or more economically, especially Dr. Mahmoud Babawumia. I am saddened cemetery sa Jimona Omudemano. Oh, catch and say, Bantima JNTC, Obito, I watch you from Anadu, from Anapago see, I'm at 4 into a 24-hour economy. So okache me say said me ka boaje e kan say yema mo bantima dwom e so rekọ abofo akomodan ene go ka fa ene ma eba bedru amache 4 ena omo asase aton enti 24-hour economy.
So there's night market.
That is not what you are bringing on board.
Okay.
You see, the BB bar, there is a policy attached to it.
Okay.
And until the MPP are finding a missing your friends the concept of free the concept of community
day and night.
No, community days secondary school.
Okay.
Up to date.
Yeah.
The John Dramani can say he is going to support the industries and the secondary part about iodine. And so if there is an organization here or say or produce secondary the John Dramama administration will resource that company to produce more day and night so that it can feed the demands of the Ghanaian people.
Okay.
The John Dramani Mahama na John Dramani Mahama's or a track record to back on what he's saying.
Allow him to talk, please.
It was John Dramani Mahama time, and now also the pharmaceutical industries. It is a net. Oka said he is going to resource some companies to produce the owning all rounds in hand. Waka the rice and more the importation. So if you have a rice factory here, what the 24-hour economy is seeking to achieve, they say he will resource that rice company to produce more so that the Ghanaian people will not import rice as much as we are producing now. The 24-hour economy no one John Dramani Mahama can say your poultry industry he will resource the company to produce more so that it will reduce importation. That is what it's about. Now and you will be our child sabi otono anajo I feel very pity for Dr. Baumian explanation or the my I know be on Peace FM said mobile money. So that is not what you are talking about. In the say or maybe we abrocha I was sending this car and as a friend or call your friends say Ajuma and Ajua. But I say he go and work in the factory. That is what we are bringing on board. So they understand. I said that because they are understanding because the last time of John Dramani Mahama Eka say he is going to review SHS policy. And so they are understanding. I thought that Mete Omasi.
And see, and you know, Christ said John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency former President Bar, free SHS to be trim. The
underlying word is review. The underlying word is review. The underlying, you see, and I don't know, or do I want to okay? Was a fantastic idea, but the implementation is poor. So, etifia na your friends say or more Ebianiasa headmasters, epas or more across down some schools. Sir, and then say a bad. He will engage the parents, he will engage the teachers, he will engage everyone so that the possible review which me at the key effect. You see, Dr. Mahmoud Babawumia Minua Ekanasemi. Dr. Mahmoud Babawumia came in as economist. That is what the MPP MIA Tama Obano, Mamaka Simi. Now, I before one chebi. Memamo Baumio no so ya nimdie. It was all channel towards economic abilities along so morning. But then the man has turned to be an IT guy. Ajuma check level 100 I don't know Dr. Baumia Ayen say Mahmoud Baumia his excellency said me again if he says nimde bia yamano akwanya wode be ye Ghana ya offers and salvaging the situation now. You came and overthrow dollar at 4.2.
Okay.
Dollar echo 15 cities about 11.5. Also, you came and met a gallon of fuel at 14.5. What we could do 70 plus and then that's about 60. Also, mess now one casa work it no. And no, and now my friends also on one. Also, more na adia me nana ekufado ekafa Dr. Bawumia ho a damage to his integrity was nanka o he said when Dr. Bawumia went to Cape Coast and said the people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. We are building an airport. 3 days after and nanado nanka said my Kano Mensumano, we are not building any airport here. Dr. Bawumia, apart from his so Mama Yajidi said or economics, Aya Oka said to arrest the city and the what. One of the promise here the Dr. Bawumia in 2016 minutes over Kaidan. Oka say in their time there will be no problem in Ghana. Now no way. Just to show say okay. I am telling him again. Says and yet the district assembly no the government no yes obisi a oko akrowa bisi kwa ho oko bofi bisi kwa ho oko your friend akosombo bisi wono. I am telling him onche me emu 10 even a janambia crowd Dr. Bawumia is a hobo. Team accomplished or Ashanti Mama you know. Dear, almost promise yes or more almost seen a crown. I'm a chance a bill acroa. Okay. A bill akosombo. Okay. A bill bofi do nina si kwa. All right. On chem emutena almost team accomplished even a janambia. So how do you entrust the entire economy in the hands of this man? It's excellency. Babia Ghana Edrunon. It is a fight for independence and it is not about lies. It is not about say slogans here and there. No, it is a business. Ghana for any upgrade baby na Ghana for awarding ejina omoduma yemu as say ati abanu. Okay, we were buying cement at 35 Ghana cities and cement is almost at 90 Ghana. It is a more mobile very the line where it's almost no, the line where it's almost and so baby and Ghana awarding the purchasing power of Ghanaians. Okay. Baby everysu abedruno and no and Ghana for esu one I don't see omunyina ede omodom abebo ndisi mu a musi yewura John Dramani Mahama die osia oyo die oka oyo in the wisdom of John Dramani Mahama ohun he saw say Asante Mantem ha we lack social amenities. Okay. And he started we are regional hospital. Office now is 65% completion, and they do saying after 85%, and they do saying problem Ghana for a face on, and yet obedience is excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there be former president to be some fix it. Even the damage in say almost say almost the mine, but it took Asante Hine say timamufuo emebua na konfanochi yamwa from and some aminu eka ye said adia John Dramani Mahama eto listen to ya wo ane say your friend say ehun hia no. Okay, so die ebia na ya you see ode be chechire konfanochi and also ehun and also ehun hia na you see say obi ewo vision na won tini pan vision here you have to learn. You have to go to a person and ask. na nyese ujina they should come and learn. They should come and learn from us. Because that's how there's no way to me they say umma Nana Akufo-Addo ne Baba Umia 100 years. Okay. I say among Ghana Abela no so they cannot compare themselves to John Dramani Mahama. That is the rating. Okay. I'm saying of lines no. Ye ni mo o free whether they are MPP, whether they are NDC, ye ni mo. But the pains here Ghana for mu no, it reflect the general I don't think the NPP as political party they should learn. They are sitting on the fence and throwing
all right, your 2 seconds rebuttal on that next.
The woman say
because me say you want
to say me ready from Porter.
But you go ahead.
But I know offense. And the choir me be want to come once from Agrek to Enyankaso. Okay. On catch them say kwa nye. Mampanyini Kufuor ne guso.
Dan.
Mampanyini Kufuor ne guso. From post office. Ede call ya kosi masi.
Ene etisensi.
Meba.
Dan.
Ena etutu ye. Oh,
let me land.
Ene tutu ye.
No, atose bi wo no ma.
Oba. Atose someone. No. Who you offense to? Atose someone.
Under President Force regime. Oh, meba. Baby are all canon.
Yeah.
Nano secondary school at that time.
Okay.
MP no ne fere kwanasafu. Amodem etutui. Ohu se obabere kokofo ba no de anyakoko akoguo. It took President Mahama and a year ekwano. Offense me say Opa, just call the MC or to CCI. Okay.
You go ahead.
And I'll give you an empirical evidence. I stay there, I live there. No.
Modern Ghana.
I agree. No.
Do you live there?
I live there.
No. Obia, what's now? I am still there. I agree to Ayangaso. Equania 2. The da agree. Your friends say I feel no anymore. And I said the kofa kokoti. Emu why? Emu the kofa koko. Every biasu why? Me say office. I dare him to today. Say don't fire cameras. Diane, I'll fought all the bills. Don't fire. Baby Okano. Ayangaso. I wonder about 3 weeks ago. The demonstration. So I can say offensive for you. And the bell no, you cannot come and steal lies.
Which is lie?
Listen.
There are so many. Diane. Listen. I'll keep quiet. Every week I go there.
When they are modern, contracted one modern Mukasu, baby, I know Casa where to do. John Dramani Mahama Bedi 8 years, one yet contracted Guswa Oyen, more face of 4 quarter form frame. Dr. Opokuya Otiswi, no Yaduma Coco board. And Tomu Kwapoka say, all the MPT, and a warriors are quiet. Meanwhile, it was Coco Roads. It was Coco Road.
Why?
It was Coco Road.
Don't allow him.
Land for us to go to the topic. All right.
I call a friend said, Agriculum, and only the only coconuts were a war of.
Okay, it's okay. How
do you?
No, from Agric.
No, you can't send.
I'm on down to 2 come.
You cannot send solo. You cannot send solo.
Sit there. I'm on down as Fatina.
It's okay. Please.
Let's respect. It's okay. Let's respect.
You cannot sit here and lie.
Please.
You are telling me.
And your proof is inaccurate.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No woman not control baby. He started. I came in. Rebata, woman, almost 5 minutes for Rebata. And you're telling me some influence.
But you cannot lie about offensive rules.
Go ahead.
Mimi na nefi offensive.
Mimi Japan order koso. Koso me ma
as former
2 minutes.
please aspirant. I am for all rounds of offensive.
Okay.
About 3 months ago.
No, you can't
lie.
Go ahead and land for me, I beg you. Oh, sweetheart, koso.
Oka 24 hours. So oka the private sector.
Yeah.
Meboa.
Yeah.
Nampacho, wache run on private sector.
Oka private sector.
Mebu bono, or see my chantro. Mebu bono me catch us a Miami company, I'm a Jackie's company. Utire metro. Meet me do wako. They're running 24 hours.
Okay.
And because he say there are sectors in Ghana, we are a day. Won't mean running 24 hours.
Yeah.
So utire metro.
Me pacho meet.
Watch run out can say bantama. And a beye oti ametina or be that running 24 hours. And unti geographical areas in Ghana ha. And also we are day. Won't mean running 24-hour economy. Sana brochire nyina.
Fact. Yeah.
Sana brochire nyina.
Fact.
And we are telling you say the 24-hour economy o mampanyini that they can ho asem. It is already in existence.
Okay.
Una oba be chire mama no.
Okay, it's the one.
O say ka free SHS. Enye na ye ka say Mahama ba obetwa free SHS mu. Mahama ko gina simpie so ka say.
His Excellency.
His Excellency. E gina e kan say. Na na do danko Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ayi tipon so. Na wono o mampanyini John Dramani Mahama.
When you that word.
So 20 billion Ghana cedis on fanye free SHS.
Or the bay.
Or the basic escort dying. Now
the free SHS now here na 20 billion woman. Infrastructures in count. We started free SHS about double track, and then 90% of our secondary schools every double track. How did we solve the infrastructural project of the double track? So what did the metron? No NPP single member, and the oppose free day school, but its implementation and obedi advance of free was empane free SHS and kwankwa sorry. Free SHS, the free day school ni be a day. Why? Never body. Me kamba. Me on that track road no. Ubenya secondary school abofo. Ubenya bi won kinkasu. Ubenya bi wa Akumadai. Ubenya bi wo Kwakumusam kromo e frɛ say. Ubenya bi won amon utie. It is a free day school amana ya accessible. Enka wudro sempa na enu wuramu kokonkon. Eni ni nkura ase ho no ne kosi sa free SHS ne yede. But the free konkon na o ban kwankwa free SHS no. Busane say a day no obe cost no say no dey abasku.
All right.
And the any can say was for accessibility. But be a schools ni sisi no e ma ne nya accessible. That is why Anadu Danko
all right.
Those schools no we're turning into boarding house.
Okay, Madam OCP, of course, moving on. We've done 90 minutes after 7 a.m. We're going all the way till 8 a.m. We're going to try best sorry now. Media thought us no, yeah, dear bro. My next topic I'm perceived to channel pen stay. Yeah, I better you say MPP, General Secretary, Achon Krata be Eddie Sebi son Sebi Nyanto, MPP and Penifuni be every party because I say Omakudi Yira Chamatin Echi. Afafanto party na eno anopempe se me se bisa wo mo se senia mira Japan ti he me bisa se na ebeboa party no ama mo so called breaking of the eight no etimi ayeduma because if I'm in the party na se be so se be nya na me see we at no so I'm going to support her though you have your rules and regulations there na no sa no ebetimi aboa ma breaking mo eight no affect mo
medasi the new patriotic party asemene wo kasa yi no obi ani ho awayi obi e dey free pass.
Are you sure? Yeah. Won't he? By Justin,
lawyer Justin Kodia General Secretary.
Sure.
The letter na wo chro ye. Service of notice.
Okay.
It is a Monday nuti na wo into a. O se ne nsan kan krata ya. Obi an chro no letter.
Okay.
Na wo no onim say the General Secretary chro. He just reaffirmed what is in the Constitution. nana woni de ewo and MPP constitution na mabie se ubeti mama memra ka mekai e dia kire
10 minutes
kire upe enioma a wobeya wan kasa automatically you cease to be a member of the party. Yemfa emra yesum kakra uko ye ni aye SD asoria se wate ase o se ye no ye nwenwa ye nware mienu ye nwesan enti se uko na sa neoma we yesum memenda enti se ugitum na ukodim na ebeduru ba bi se sa neoma a ye kan wabusu a automatically no one way you hu free SD asoria se wate ase Roman for say Roman sorry mu de obetima aware mienu na emomu ware mienu a untimi nkokolesh communion na uko communion na wo se wo de wakwa ware mienu a automatically no where you hu aye every Roman so the patcho say wuti dem
metipa
enu bi na esi MPP manifesto article 39 into here honorable Justin Kodia report now letter now he quoted all those articles me patcho so ati aso say a member of the for future of membership a member of the party who stands as an independent candidate against the officially elected member of the party or who joins or declares his or her support for another political party or for an independent candidate when the party has sponsored a candidate in the general or by-election where do we automatically forfeit his or her membership of the party. Me patcho say wuti dem. This letter came Alan Kwajochire Martin or ye in a press conference almost a month. Eyi ni hu free party so obeko as independent candidate with a movement. A month and san MPP e kwa akoto ya aba no November 4th. At that time no obi anchoro letter. Obi anchoro letter because na MPP as a political party ye nyan sponsor any candidate in the 2024 elections. Enti se udi Alan Kwajochire Martin chia you are right. But after 7 p.m. na ye to abawie ya ye elected Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na party leadership ye Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo any the chairman of the party any the secretary of the party the MPP flag in share in sem ese wono na the MPP ko 2024 ya sponsor candidate in that election say what I say enti se wo free candidate na chi kodi obi foforo achi automatically one forfeit. Now, as to say bebo anase emwa, a disciplinary measures.
All right.
And a year no party. Ebi atoyeda. In the year 2000, na omampanyini Kufuor lose 96 election.
Yeah.
Yenya a staunch member, a founding member of the party, in the person of Dr. Reku Brubi. Minim se obeka ina.
Mekaino.
What in who free party nim kote ni party. A building structures across the country. But a son say ye did discipline ye juma. E yi nipa bi ane di na chi a free party no. Party ni share no say ya hiri nipa baako mienu miensa enan. Enu nti ye nya adwuma nkofa sa ankrofo no eseso enye de emra. We won the 2020 election.
It's ways to look at
yes.
Okay.
So first near 5,000. Say 4, including Alan Kwajochire Martin. 5. I nimu say my free party. And we need to go out there and bring those 5 people back into the party. Yeah. Fast forward to 2016. Yeah, be election. Now ye bruha. Yenya a whole party chairman, national chairman, na party na jina tun, ato abama. national secretary na party na gina tum ato abama no national first vice chairman ya party na gina tum ato abama no say what you say na you were a member of the council of elders our national council no in the person of Dr. Nyahu Tamaku make a first vice na Sami Crab make a secretary na Kwabena J Japan make a chairman na Paul Awentoni Afoko say nipa we bra party ni hu say wentwi bi ne na mo so ba party say nipa we mu yeji wo mu free party say montena nchen na yen hyehyɛ party na yen timi fa nko election 2024 ampa wo mu tena nchen ye hyehyɛ party ni be win election 2026 Emma party ni sa be ya akono Emma 2023 presidential promise ya yekoyi mi ame wo fa Kwabena J Japan a party ni di ni si nchen ese enioma bi a party ni susu se wa yenti so what you can't say go into the details because me for instance enioma ye digina so yi ni free mu me no to me na nto aso mu ma
okay
ba na party do na hu ni say sa na wo se ye no na ma pepepe your ba party ye yi ni si nchen a ye hyehyɛ party 2023 elections promise ya yekoyi ohun se party na sa ya akono enti wo se pe party na nimu ayede edi ha emi e friend say eye fia ye siesie na enimum nya fia obi agum na ekoyo me pacho so atlas enti discipline measures dey ye ne ye mati ye ne ye nuanom ti omu ye niamo ho anaso omu di nsemoni bia eni fie ni hyehyɛ ye ba abra ye twe wo maso me nana akua manu wiafe Awurade mfa ne currency okọ ofeso mpanyin ade obi afre ne ye maame hana Awurade mfa ne currency misa no na me mpe fufuo
ba openi di
yes tida bia no atwa asi me won masiniki ne makodi nti one day ena obubo banche ne board ye ne de fry wa anwa ama na afi obubo ye na na otwae ena ode to ade owie no osa abenkwan edigu ade no so etimi koba e maba be fam aduane sa atem light nche dan ni hosa maba be fam aduane mi so mu no na mani age minim se ye mutu ene ye di aye dey e di ade to mani ma nkia
body no ne ba chini na jaura
mi so anadwomu ni nyina e firi ho kono
afi
ma pie bio
okay
ye so judge se ye wi aduane ansa na me pia enti me meti we e me ma bro bia ni ho a me hyeda ye dey enimudi enso me papa anya ma bro ball ni butu bia ni wi ase asa ate
one to be ama okay
say what dey me kire ni say discipline every structure anyoma
all right
say what you say the AC no abeye adwuma kese ama MPP say
okay
yen kwa bonten ho na yen kwotwe afoforo nye de emra mese wo mu ma ye de afri mu no obia ni wa wote ba bi ka se ye ne de because anya hwe no se na na ohini nto wo ni obia akra na so wo no amu kwa afafranta ni yire ne mabe kobi so otimi convince wo ma say what you say
yeah
Alan Kwajo Chiramatin odene don beko
of course obia wodom
Boniface odene don beko Hobson Adoye oni Empress Adoye ebeko say what dem chiro na emomu no eye party ni mra the man honorable Justin Kobia e chiro ho krata nyina ne say these are starlet of the party
okay
e bia nkekoye me nkwampa anasa ye nua bi oto abama MPP a wo fom baabi
okay
ene di Alan Kwajo Chiramatin achi a enka ye ha ye ho ntworo lete na mom sa panyimfo we no se ya anka magana fo ahu se sei omu ni ye bi o ma ye nti omu ni MPP na te nkwanta Empress uti we ya bia na open MPP ni bi afre na interview na wakwa free Hobson Adoye na wo hini nto se uti de me chiro na wa baba be kan nsem sade obeka no etiefo bedwin say MPP ni na eye den kan same way because there's no way say as a campaign manager na ohini to ebeba bejire simpie so na election alankwajo kire maten kobie na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kobie no ebeba be kasa ye nto abama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia okay enu nti na hu ko hia say
all right
e wo say ye tro krata ene ye de beto abonte okay nti both MPP and DCC sa nioma we no esi okay esi a is a challenge on us okay nana kwane do Adjumani Rawlings ene wonya NDC ni bi nebua ne bakrompo koya apin se nke nsa mfa ne maame ne nsa anye de emra ba ye muse hu se bia wasesa ne subai ena Lotte Jacobs
all right
ene kwaku anido
all right
omu nyina no disciplinary measures na ye de
edi wo nyina
awu mutinche ehwesede
beautiful my comrade wadaroma oh 10 solid minutes wadaroma the ekoso MPP party mo beboa
me da say Diane me ankasa de said year 2024 ye be sia hwe MPP for nti ana me mpese omumu ebetiti
as mo confidence was
me mpese omumu budget na bia maka say oh ana we fa ha na we fa ha also mpese nka omukabo mu na nka hwe omu ye na won say but be as it may know
okay
Diane me ba na eboda me ken ba me fro so me refi board
oh kafra
yes I can be fine sir mampeni kufo
no boni
obuoni
why
kumsin onabo kumsin enye hawa kumsin ba kofi kumsin na adamfo edada na kabde ba akoso man se omoso so
ne boni
eboni onim 2008 sadi we ya ebisi na menim de ntia nana ado empe alane na chirifo animahwe
sana hono
2008 sorry 2007 after Legon Congress omokoya omodi nana ado se omo Franca tuni no me say yenyina ye hui the enmity abeto omo ntem na ado supporters na omo bo alankofo e studios hello FM something Kenya mche program so na ye to enkonya ne ade bro alan enkrofo but edruba bi na ado trans eteki a deeper refresh ehun say obehia alan chamatian sana na watimi awe ne akonya no
sir
anye bia na amanyo ye de enipa ene ye enna obi so ho a oka ho a ema umu edu ema wo carry weight ba menim said this a arefia aba menim said to medie no na ayom de abroso a minu e ka 2015 the same thing AC chairman general secretary na first vice omo perceive say they were aligned to Alan and almost so ye omo esinchen but drew babia the wind of change you know untimenya hwe the 2016 na the wind of change was on the ground and ti amamo winning ti ma omadwen enyo mo se omo yi omo sinchen tina omo etimidi enkunim no now I think say I was MPP etnase na usua ade enche bia enna bibi say esi wo e friends formina ema MP no call independent dia okowini but at the long run na the MPP here no esene even the president and so omusua hwe enfrim nti omo esa ekekako but interestingly Diane enipa ono no eyisu ne pen ene party letterhead and the throw waiver a man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a man in ya access a be party member a year obey running mate to Nana Advocacy for interesting is any panel ebenya akonya di party no anymore and also ne dom e pamo or into a free party no but ni nyina no oka na waka ne saying say but now I was trying to understand something, but Alan will form a political party no, he said it's a movement.
But still I see what
you see the yenina yetie ya jitum say within the NPP you was a movement to project the party.
Sure.
And on was say what's it new movement enti obi wo ha ne kombe do say obedi movement da chi but on free party mo. Okay. Me say nyina say minim say na o Tescom member your ngofo be wo ha
Tescom president.
Yeah, your ngofo be wo ha omo ye Tescom members but they are not MPP members. They come to learn. Your ngofo be omo ye 10 members but omo nye and easy for enti Alan strategy now or the buy. I think say it is a new idea about going forward now. I mean say all the political parties so ebesua bibi afrim. Okay. But at the end of the day no you hear the impact here e dey be party no. I mean say Alan Jamatin nye sabi obi animu ha last week na me call offense so me ko fa adwetia na me drew ho nkrofo a ehye butterfly t-shirt I didn't na me ndo moye and Alan was also not there.
Oh,
but me okay na me nim but o hwe edoma na wo ho a mo hye butterfly t-shirt na so we MPP nia you must be worried about it. Okay. Because in as much say omo elusu in advance no let me say Alan exit no will add more salt to their injuries. Wow. Because say the on one kind ye nyina so you obi wa free party no a or the dom call na say wo hwe
because obia won the
yeah but ebi mo edusin bi and say wo hwe the geographical background of Alan any baby and before a passive say you are more strong hood now of which it is not. Okay. Ashanti region almost say you are more strong hood of which it is not now. Okay. Say if Alan could even get 1% out of the total yeah waha NPP am your cool. Okay. I don't see I think say edu baby a sa enyem were na ne ka no den kakra but say ebia so ne consequences a your friend say ediba enti ye de we de me timi nka ho se me but ye be can say we wish them all the best. Na 2024 no the massive defeat on benya no mo emfa enko hye say we call ye and we call ye and we call ye but amanyo ade ba ko mu say this is over take bia no results wa ebe results wa ebe produce no and no rushing different. Okay. Says how this we say boa NPP a okay omo beka say wo we na eboa e ba say amoso a ehona mi nuyen ebe so beka say o we na mpan for kra ohun eye nti eye very dicey but ye de ye no mo ni bia but nka ye de pen say nka komo omo ntam nti komo ka abum okay so that in 2024 say Dr. Babaumia at the elephant quite better ma when you quite more quite better ma or monka say obi free na we are I see na we sing enti we dey if you talk okay
simple simple so ni bibi aka there's nothing again of course
nothing
but you shouldn't have anything to say again oh but you still have something to say?
All I'm saying is MPP baby. Okay. And can all right. I believe the current executives. Okay. Said year 2016 Send the buyer Timikaya. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is going to choose a flag bearer, and the flag bearer together with Dr.
How soon is he going to choose?
Oh, per the party constitution.
Okay.
Or also choose before 12 months to the election.
Okay.
So what?
I will be choosing. All right. How soon is John Domani Mahama going to choose his running?
Oh, yeah. No. Yeah, no, we do not do running meet.
You can't say that.
We leave it to President Mama, but say but say me offend ba me tie ya, mbo be any me choice. Say Obanwa, say me na me come to Obanwa, but we leave it to
to decide. All right. Okay, maybe my line is not some 41 minutes after 7 a.m. and then I'm sticking to my time. Now, my mom time now most of my free because most of the time no, and I'm the call my time. Maybe my line is not some. You didn't come over very. Why don't you give me a call and let's hear you. If I the PCM or D4, a 4 bars, something quick here. Well, of course, I'll be a chidom or Nisika and now or they support you may do or so this should be a. Na adwene mo ka no ene no ma basa mo bro wa nyanke kwafo ye nyina yeso no ensa pass you to make na ye maja pekrom na e bi pekrom ordinary ebe kan ave call on the line. Hello, good morning. Nyanko pa adom me ho ye na so e
na adom me ya ki lo sekese me pese firi akra.
All right, ye ti wa no pay.
Ka se ni ya MPP ni no se no aya de or since you say a global about 40 cities, then the thing is a global about 40 cities. The connection will go about him. Oh, and then do higher, you. I'm only writing. I'm only writing. There's even say, Diana, Fanny the town, the 2 cities. That's all about so. The Kumu, Yapa, no one made the doctor, send a million run on yet. Not the 2 cities, no, 5 cities. Let's go back to the 4 cities. Why are there? I would say, and issue, and issue, and people battle. What was saying Ghana? What was saying the big time? What can say MPP
okay.
And then I think about I can't tell you anything. I offer the Facebook account. I send a message to about.
May I say, what's bit me afraid for the first time if I'm social media handles and to ya, we have been sending me message in Pachoko Facebook, Akusia Gemfi Quatin on Facebook, Akusia Gemfi Quatin. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Maybe I charge you on my line so much,
ya na mana
Pacho wone ne wa chi mento wonka ma na so kakra
what you say chi
no mento wonka MC am Pacho menti we enti no mo be ma mo be bi ade ni mama me kakra menti we. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diana.
Me Pacho me ho ye na so e.
Oh, on a go to mo. The family is down because free is very what are you doing? Me pache another for the manager million DC not.
All right.
Okay, Wakasapa go to the Sudan. Now Diana the theory say NPP for one. This year we come to fit me one. Ignore this year and yes more moon say. Ina kunya go to fit this for. Mbidi that will be any area than abo. Politics no my ya no politics no we digu ma ma ufinu omo na so from to ta fa so ta digu ma ma ufinu ya ye you e ku travel abe take your money 7 years of people me omo ko ni what go to the na say so na ba Muhammad bi so ni o ma fa di say dai na we see no no come to this thing we need to be out for work ba we ka na for teacher for na say Obama will be a laptop, or the Joe be a sick of half and Ghana up to the city better than very laptop in the man. Never know when the Casagala thing that say, this year the trade acquiring, and I see a training, this year with the sky trader, the trade before you, never know the guy,
What's my year? Doctor Dawson, dear, Minion, on kind of correct. What I said, economy now, Yama for myself, and not you know what it sounds. I said, I didn't see a yes economy, but never to let you up. And I want to make Sharon Tong one of a road. It didn't the next day, come up for me, I asked my say, Yasser to other day at one time, the media will move to MPP, only something to among men, don't be on my year. So never the cat who brought to car or maybe an about the way the cat who, but I say, you come up for the man, my afternoon, already all back, or make your money, because Diana and got a come, how much I don't want to see the NFL filial. Think of about Baby, somebody let be, or come in here, was soon here, this canoe, every year. I didn't know this canoe, idiot, but never got I have to bother the none of all, we have one day. That's why.
So, Medas, Papa, for colonize, was a bit my friend. Na Yakuye, Meso so frame, and now Mona Sokakra, na itime Atunka, Wadaroma, Miokola, Ewala. So, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, didn't baby, our frame free.
You won't buy a little cassette to quarters that come from.
Pacho, ain't you on pay?
Medas, I will be out. What was this? What defend it? I'm on Funkan. I'm on Funkan. I go for the kind, nothing is a to possible. Or the table, yes, I have 24 hours. No, milk. I'm so far, 24 hours. No, I'm not going to get it. Don't know, so when I'm over party and come. I'm a young bumper with my mansion or me and a father. And I said, well, no, I said, I can't rest in you of a move. I have quite a good place. The mama who father, oh, they are hot plane. I can't. I'm a guy in India hotel. I'm not what I say. I'm better than people are Montana. My hand, I'll pay them whatever.
Okay. Yeah, that's the as the Chrome has a bejo. And said they are a bejo 48 minutes after 7. We're going to wait till 8 here. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
So, didn't baby are frame me free? But you need to walk out Daroma.
Beautiful. She has three the time, you have 14 minutes. When you question me, I'm also being quiet. You say, only thing to say about me. You see the same. Okay, I think you put program, but you say, you be a stream. And more than a believer. It is the father of first cigarette and who are something. Then, the question will be when you come to piano or Ghana. What do you do? Upon the never been my name. I could rather about a deco and a trip. And cannot see what you see you do. Never better for calling you do. I never could say you but I'm not going to you didn't come here. I'm not going to correct. And then, that was what you do. And I didn't know when you need this new or to play out here. I'm not going to go. All the one you say, when you see a beef over there, and then the mama, Mamma Bay, Ghana, when you go to the emotion, when you cut up, you know, go, it's not a beef, you're beautiful. When you know that you but you never and you must come and get your problem on the spot. You don't know on the side work with it. What will come correct? When you talk in so I didn't know a lot of people to you. When I know a human of Kadia, the rest of the man, when I if you can't be a lot of things you know to be in the other year, and you know before, let me say, whenever you say no good to and you know, what people, and then you couldn't come in walk off in years of quality. You let a bring my own, but it's a portion of him.
If you do not confess, anyone say woman get Christmas to be there. Yes, if you cover the roof, you don't look in the rest of the and cow correct. Well, I'm not that. I'm not so happy to miss my.
All right, yeah, that's say also bit me afre. Frame and uncle. I come in 9 minutes now. You did medicine na eba nevi. Hello, good morning. Bacha na hoye.
Bacha.
What am I into one of it?
Hello, Bacha me want to.
Bacha kasa yeti.
We are my business. And then party. What Madonna. And why the papa the Madonna and the papa in bank and only do. I can start that money the money is not on the form. I can also present that people don't buy a one stage money. I can only only get to start banking. And the papa in the bank is not your phone. You can share on the phone, always work higher. You know, you let us look at it. You can see the million. President,
oh, so sorry, passionately. Or can I say so no lines 90 me am one. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Madam.
Me bacho dini baby a frame me free.
The friend is I'm a free family.
Bacho yinti one okay.
That is the Ghana Africa, a American, yeah, first, level 2 and 2 after I say a sister. I'm to 2 months. I'm not a excellency. Now, to say not some of them for kind of say, sitting on the Kuaba. To say, let's say, well, we will be a kind of the saying, yeah, come on. So for you tell us what you see, I will tell you the challenge. So now, Indian for now, what are you doing? Come on now, you put a pleasure, it's a signal, and you get 400. So now, it's now. We are in for you it's a bad. Let for echo. We are 500. Can I remember the shot at the
okay.
I'm not school money. She has the money. Now I couldn't feel time. And I say, yes, I mean, if I was when you are saying, I know that is good. That it's a one of the young and this way, and the tools are we don't need to run the papa and let's say one year, let's say a big Mamma, the third dynamic to about Managa, because of the watching, and for watching a new factory,
all right. Yeah, that must say I got 6 minutes not make cause I'll pick about 2 calls only. Nafi, no, my studio near up here. Do I have a call on the line? Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Wapi. Papa. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Me file last caller. Nothing. No, you draw the curtains down. Last call, I'm running. I guess but I'm picking only last call. Hello, last caller. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Last caller.
No. Adam, Pacho, Malfa, Nanze, Nuana.
Hello. Okay.
Good morning.
Last caller. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, it's your me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Dan.
Wadaroma, middle, we didn't baby our frame free.
Ada, call any copper because.
Mental.
I'm the child no budget for.
Yeah, Joso.
Because I feel the crowd of them. That's politicians, you know. Because I will be the M1. MPP for him, yeah, just say, or more could be part in the Chinese, you must remember what was here and this. The Amon company. And she will be from the BBC, the quiet you. Germany, na ọmọ nkan obi amra ọmọ nipa bi a ọmọ fún ìjọba bọ party na ọmọ ọmọ ìṣòwò àdúgbò náà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ ntura ẹ̀sọ́ ọmọ kan náà bá nàmọ ọmọ náà wọ́n mú ní àìsẹ́ ẹ̀ń tí sá ẹ̀yẹ sèé àǹfẹ́ ìṣìyà ní ọgbẹ́ mi rẹ̀ ní.
All right, OC TP all the way from Bekwai Abodom. I feel ankasa me did say nyame adom. Ohun ye menua owusi me fa ko bi abi maka ti. Mira come right here ko.
Me da say. Ene owatampa.
Okay.
Her Excellency Professor Nana Opokwajiman. Ene ye ne birthday.
Oh wow.
Na me fa wo afidi ka dey so na yen we shi no.
Awuba tampa.
Na the American so akere Ghana man ne Asante man se ekona eda yanimu no eye eko a ye de je oman asi ho ye de je oman afri abusua ensem ye je oman na ama oman ma se de be ya abusua amamuo eto betwa se de ebe ya obi nkofa asokwameda emeda na asenchina se obi bae se woye economics as say wadane IT expert said ye kola ba ho kan ye o ka se your friend say Ghana kwan obeye no it said tema motorway cement concrete na ye be fra na so tema motorway e fan ba bi kakra bi tutu ye de kokota na pache senye Dr. Baumianem ene na do aban kare we nka bi si ba bia da say ye de kota ne cement efra ayekwan but nyina ne say ye wo opanyin bi a oda osonda ye adwene Ghana ho yewura John Dramani Mahama 2025 the president of the republic ya Ghana for esu efre no osu a ye suche no a oje yeso ajimanya okojiman oba na wabeje Ghana free enkosoma ewom sisese mu.
All right.
That's
mami Dr. Mahmoud Baumi an kan be bia say obeye concrete. Okay. It was a proposal and the Christian Council
a proposal
and okoshia wo mo no ka say the concrete road is more expensive than asphalt but more durable.
Good.
And no beche.
Okay.
And the government will consider their proposal. Oh, and this if we didn't trauma and
no.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia never said say
okay.
Yeah, be concrete.
All right. So you know.
A proposal.
Then got me the video no ma producer. Now I got producer above video.
Now yeah can say MPP yen ka say BBI.
Sir.
Yen ka say aye BBI. Nemu Sam Ghana besa akwa DNDC for nsem de. Nature say ya ton Ghana na de ache.
Okay.
Eya na abusuan mamuwe. Oma panyini don Dramani Mahama or two opposition po. Miss Bawa Muntari. Oya ni dey.
8.
Okay.
Oya ni dey.
8.
And then the cousin no.
Yes.
And then the family member.
But in his government,
opposition.
I don't want to know
yet. They make correct man we ni say.
Only
Yeah,
can
me correct the man we.
And then I can be.
Yeah, ma Jane. Na Opuku Ajima.
Okay, happy birthday.
Yeah, man, I would have. Name Unyame Your Excellency.
Okay, yeah.
We are only educated.
No, but he's coming. He's coming to
Dorifa Vigo platform, so no, of course, production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show. Sam Jack was the producer extraordinaire. Hey, Jake, darling Jay, good morning. Thank you so much. Mitchell Priste, of course, the rest of your Dumaku Jr. and famous and Imam face out and support is so amazingly. MC, I don't pay. I beg your father, many more Edi Juma, you see Kunya, Edi Ghana, and Como, and maybe we pay your Eddie MI representing the NDC, a Mirai, a comrade, or say bright of him, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member, and of course, the former aspiring PC, yes or no, and now over time my NDC Sanso and Miracle Feature Point MPP Communication Team member, Deputy Organizer, Kwabre East Constituency. Of course, many message be break. I want has man come messages more for and then me and kind back. Those of you on Facebook, I say sorry and forgive me. Bring out your social media handles. Okay, look on Facebook. I handle Akusia Jemfi Kwatin. Of course, Instagram Diane Duhene Jemfi Kwatin. Oko Twitter at Akusia Diane. Thank you all for watching the show this morning. About area don't question me. Kumasi 104.1. Me Kumasi Kumasi Jumejene so. Ebeba abesomo. Yakamungina your channel pa. Have a good day. Bye.